Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the appearance of the French flag. Let's dive into its iconic design. The French flag, often called the tricolor, is a powerful national symbol. It consists of three distinct vertical bands of color. These colors are arranged from left to right, creating a striking and recognizable pattern. Understanding these colors helps appreciate its rich history and meaning. Each color on the French flag carries deep historical meaning. The blue stripe, positioned on the hoist side, traditionally represents the city of Paris and the ideals of the French Revolution. The central white stripe symbolizes royalty and peace, often associated with the Bourbon monarchy. Finally, the red stripe on the fly side stands for the blood shed by patriots and the courage of the French people. Together, they tell a story of national identity. Beyond its colors, the French flag also has specific dimensions. Officially, the flag's proportions are 2:3, meaning its width is 1.5 times its height. This ratio ensures a consistent and balanced appearance. Furthermore, each of the three vertical stripes, blue, white, and red, is designed to be of equal width. This precise arrangement contributes to the flag's distinct and recognizable visual identity, making it instantly identifiable worldwide. The French tricolor's legacy is profound, becoming the national flag following the French Revolution. Its design has influenced numerous other national flags around the world, a testament to its powerful symbolism. This iconic banner continues to represent France's values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the French flag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.